In this video, we're going to be talking about how to fix your PayPal app not working in 2026. So let's get straight into the video. The first thing you want to do is check the PayPal server status. Go to status.paypal.com or Down Detector to see if there is any reported outages. If that is not the case, you might need to simply go ahead and check your internet connection. So try switching to a different Wi-Fi or a mobile data, or restart your router, or turn on airplane mode and turn it off. If that is not the case, you might need to simply go ahead and update the PayPal application. Simply go ahead and head to App Store or Play Store, depending on the device you're using. If that is not the case, you might need to simply go ahead and close the app completely and restart your phone and open it again. Or if you're on an Android device, try clearing cache. Always make sure that your date and time settings is set to automatic, and check for any system updates if available. If that is not the case, you might need to simply go ahead and remove and reinstall the application. And if nothing works, simply try contacting the support team at paypal.com/help. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If you have further more queries, feel free to comment down below, and I'll see you on the next one.